Lesson 6: Biological Monitoring Programs. Biological monitoring programs are essential components of aquaculture operations, providing valuable insights into the health, productivity, and sustainability of cultured species and their surrounding ecosystems. These programs involve the systematic collection, analysis, and interpretation of biological data to assess the condition of aquatic organisms, monitor environmental changes, and guide management decisions. This lesson explores the importance of biological monitoring programs in aquaculture, their key components, and their role in ensuring the long-term success of aquaculture operations. 6.1 Importance of biological monitoring programs. Biological monitoring programs serve several critical purposes in aquaculture. Health assessment: regular monitoring of fish health parameters such as growth rates, disease prevalence, and mortality rates helps identify potential health issues early and implement timely interventions to mitigate risks. Environmental monitoring: monitoring the biological indicators of water quality, including phytoplankton abundance, zooplankton diversity, and benthic organism populations, provides insights into ecosystem health and identifies potential impacts of aquaculture activities on surrounding habitats. Stock assessment: monitoring key biological parameters such as fish size distribution, reproductive success, and genetic diversity helps assess the productivity and sustainability of cultured stocks, guiding decisions related to breeding practices, stocking densities, and harvest schedules. Compliance monitoring: biological monitoring programs play a crucial role in ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements and certification standards related to environmental protection, animal welfare, and food safety. 6.2 Components of biological monitoring programs. Biological monitoring programs typically include the following components. Baseline data collection: establishing baseline data on key biological indicators, including fish health parameters, water quality parameters, and ecological indicators, provides a reference point for assessing changes over time. Sampling protocols: designing sampling protocols to collect representative samples of aquatic organisms, tissues, and environmental parameters ensures the reliability and accuracy of biological monitoring data. Data analysis and interpretation: analyzing biological monitoring data using statistical methods and ecological models allows for the identification of trends, patterns, and correlations, facilitating informed decision-making and management actions. Reporting and communication: communicating biological monitoring findings to relevant stakeholders, including aquaculture managers, regulators, and local communities, promotes transparency, accountability, and collaboration in managing aquaculture operations sustainably. 6.3 Role of biological monitoring programs in aquaculture sustainability. Biological monitoring programs play a crucial role in promoting the sustainability of aquaculture operations by optimizing production efficiency. By identifying factors affecting fish health, growth, and productivity, biological monitoring programs help optimize production practices, minimize resource use, and reduce environmental impacts. Minimizing environmental risks: monitoring ecological indicators and assessing ecosystem health allow for early detection of potential environmental risks associated with aquaculture activities, enabling proactive management strategies to mitigate impacts and protect surrounding habitats. Supporting certification and market access: compliance with biological monitoring requirements and certification standards enhances the credibility and marketability of aquaculture products, facilitating access to premium markets and ensuring consumer confidence in product quality and sustainability. Informing adaptive management: regular monitoring and analysis of biological data enable adaptive management approaches, where management practices are adjusted in response to changing environmental conditions, market dynamics, and stakeholder feedback, ensuring the resilience and long-term viability of aquaculture operations. *Glossary 1. Phytoplankton abundance: the concentration or density of microscopic algae, phytoplankton, in a body of water. 2. Zooplankton diversity: the variety of small aquatic organisms, zooplankton, that drift or swim in water, including protozoans, crustaceans, and larval forms of larger animals. 3. Benthic organisms: organisms that inhabit the bottom of aquatic ecosystems, including invertebrates, algae, and bacteria. 4. Stocking densities: the number of individuals of a species stocked per unit area or volume in an aquaculture facility. 5. Genetic diversity, the variety of genetic characteristics within a population or species, which can influence resilience to environmental changes and disease resistance. 6. Food safety, measures taken to ensure that food products are safe for human consumption, free from harmful contaminants or pathogens. 7. Statistical methods, techniques used to analyze and interpret data, including descriptive statistics, hypothesis testing, and regression analysis. 8. Ecological models, mathematical representations of ecological processes and relationships, used to simulate and predict ecosystem dynamics and responses to management actions. 9. Transparency, openness and accessibility of information, allowing stakeholders to understand and evaluate aquaculture practices and their impacts. 10. Adaptive management, a systematic approach to managing natural resources, where management actions are adjusted based on ongoing monitoring and evaluation of outcomes.